Today is Monday. My name is Michelle Reed. If you just happen to stumble across this video, I make college vlogs and a lot of other videos if you want to subscribe. It is 9 a.m. and I woke up an hour ago, which is why I look like this. So for this week in my life video, I really wanted to do a video focused on food. That's something that I feel like I always kind of mention in my videos, but don't do like a full week in my life. And so this one's going to be focused around like easy college meals that I make and cook that are easy to make. Eating healthy and like cooking for myself. Those are two things that are really important to me. And so I wanted to do like a whole video actually showing you guys the stuff that I usually like to make. And it's also going to hold me accountable, so I can't eat out a ton this week. But because I'm doing that video, I just went to Trader Joe's and kind of stocked up on some things just so I have plenty of things to work with. So I'm going to show you guys a little bit of a grocery haul within this video. I woke up just feeling so happy this morning. I'm in such a good mood. And then I'm going to get lunch with my friend Rose and her mom in this really pretty restaurant. I'm really excited. And then I'm finally just going to work on homework tonight because I haven't really done that in quite a bit of time. I hope you guys are having a lovely end of your week, I guess, since this is going to go up at the end of the week. I love you guys. I'm so grateful for you guys, and let's just have a good week. And I have everything in my little wheelie cart, so I'm going to show you guys all the stuff that I got. I got some pretzel slim. I don't like to get a ton of processed stuff, but I do like to get like one thing to snack on whenever I'm feeling it, so that's my thing. We got some sprouted bread. This is like bread that's a little bit better for you. I got some frozen falafel. I eat falafel on salads and as a snack. 2 things of cauliflower gnocchi. They only have this in the mornings, which is literally why I went to Trader Joe's in the morning. I got basil to put in the cauliflower gnocchi. Shredded carrots because I like to put this on salads. I got some organic baby lettuce mix. Blueberries. I got dill because I'm making a salmon dish and it requires this, and dill is just good for that. I got a huge thing of raspberries. I love raspberries. A wild cut salmon, and I'm so happy Trader Joe's started selling this because they used to only have the farmed salmon, which is a lot worse for you, and so I was really excited about this. I got some broccoli and some bananas. I got butternut squash spirals. I don't know if these are gonna be good. They look a little slimy. We got some classic hummus and then some Greek yogurt. Mini pearl grape tomatoes. 2 Honeycrisp apples, and I also want to say a lot of you guys get on to me about plastic. At least at the Trader Joe's I go to, they like you to use these because they're compostable, so these are not bad for the environment, and I know where I'm gonna drop them off. Don't hate me. I got a ton of baby avocados. These are so good. I eat avocado on like everything, I feel like. I got some organic peanut butter, and then also just some Rustico traditional Southern Italian sauce. I got 1 kombucha gingerade, and then I also got 2 RX bars. So I really wanted a light breakfast this morning, so one of my favorite things to make is just like a Greek yogurt parfait. Greek yogurt, raspberries, blueberries, a little bit of coconut chips, granola with a little bit of honey. So I just got changed to go meet Rose. I'm wearing this beret, which is from Princess Polly. My sweater is also from Princess Polly. It's just like this high neck tan one. I think it's really cute. And then I'm just wearing some black Madewell jeans and then these knee-high boots, which are from 9 West. And that is the fit. It's about 12 o'clock right now, and I'm about to go head out and meet Rose. I just got back from hanging with Rose. It was so fun. We went to Tavern on the Green, which if you guys are ever in New York City, it was such a beautiful restaurant. But we stopped by the Bloomingdale's outlet. I always need gloves, but I never like buying gloves. And so I picked up a pair. These are like Ralph Lauren, but they were on sale for $30. I got this turtleneck. I think it's so cute. This was also on sale for $30, but it's just like a solid black turtleneck. And then the sleeves are beautiful. They like go out. Also got this dress, which Rose is the one who told me to try this on, and then I tried it on and I really liked it. It's so cute. It has like a Peter Pan collar and it just goes down, and it's like long and really pretty. I'm gonna do some homework, and then I'm also gonna go work out because I just really want to get a good workout in tonight. Just worked out, headed up the stairs because it's really crowded right now. Getting a second workout in. So I'm currently working on some decision analysis homework, but I wanted to show you guys something that I like to do whenever I have free time is just meal prep. And so right here, I'm meal prepping some broccoli. I try to do this like once a week. I've been really bad about it lately. I'm just gonna eat this throughout the week. Really big lunch today. I had like a really big salmon burger and sweet potato fries and a lot of greens. And so I wasn't really that hungry for dinner, so I just made like scrambled eggs and I ate an apple, which is really random, but my body was like, this is what I want. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. I really like making healthy pancakes, so that's what I'm gonna make this morning. This is a really easy recipe. All you need are 2 eggs, some steel cut oats, chia seeds, honey, and then I just use 1 banana. Something that I like to do instead of syrup is mixing Greek yogurt with honey, and then I just put that on top of my pancakes and it tastes really good. I just top them with the yogurt and some raspberries and blueberries, and there you have the most delicious banana pancakes, and I'm about to dive in. So I'm filming a video right now. Let me know how your week is going. They're just like things I don't want to talk about while I'm in school because it is such a small school. My camera died halfway through, which is why I look like this. Good morning, guys. Today is Wednesday. I just spent the morning just doing some editing. I just put up a video, watching Gossip Girl, and I'm about to make some breakfast. And since I'm doing this video about food, I'm gonna show you guys what I'm making. I'm just making a really simple avocado toast. This is my favorite breakfast to do because you get a lot of healthy fats in and proteins with eggs. Obviously, this isn't like super complex, but headed to class bundled up because it's really, really cold out. I just got back from class. I had a really long class tonight. I don't know why, it just like really made me drained. We were doing pitches for our like startup ideas that we had. I don't know why, but I just feel so drained and it's freezing outside, and so I'm gonna make a really cozy dinner that I really like. This is my cauliflower gnocchi recipe. It's really easy. If you don't know what cauliflower gnocchi is, I'll show you. You can get this at Trader Joe's. I don't know who else sells it, but it is really, really good. I'm gonna whip up a nice bowl of this. I didn't really show you guys my outfit today, so I guess I'll do that. My top is from Express. It's kind of see-through, but I think that it is cute. And then my pants are from Zara. My shoes are from Public Desire. They're really uncomfortable, but I thought they were cute. All you're gonna need is your cauliflower, some tomato sauce, and then some basil, shredded mozzarella, and mini grape tomatoes. It takes literally 15 minutes, guys. It's snowing!
They say into your early life romance came.
Today is Thursday and I have not vlogged today, and that is because I'm actually vlogging for my first Vlogmas video, and it's kind of confusing, but basically I'm doing a sponsorship with a company and I wanted to make it my first day of Vlogmas, and so I'm saving it, but I was filming most of that today and I'm so excited for that to go up. But right now it is 5 o'clock and it is actually the first snow day in New York, which is so exciting. It's been so pretty just like being outside and everything. I kind of just want to have a chill night. I'm like feeling really tired and just like not super productive, and I honestly don't have anything that I really need to get done, and so I'm actually cleaning, which is one of my favorite things to do. I don't know why, but for me like deep cleaning is so therapeutic. And then I'm gonna hang out with Aiden tonight because I haven't seen him, like really hung out with him for a couple of days, so today is Friday and right now it's actually 4 o'clock, and I just worked out and then I did a group project today, and I also just got back from class. I just kind of had like a busy Friday, and so I didn't really vlog too much. I want to show you guys what I wore to class today. You guys always ask for me to show like my business casual outfit. My top is this sweater. I got this from Princess Polly. I wear it all the time. I just think it's really cute. I would usually wear it like off the shoulder like so, because I think that this is just like really classy and cute, but obviously for class, for business casual, I can't do that. So, and then my skirt is from J. Crew. It's just like a really pretty like velvet little skirt, and I think it's really adorable and just comfy. And then I'm wearing some black tights, and then my knee-high boots, which are from 9 West. Actually filming the rest of my video that I filmed yesterday. It involves my roommate Naja, which you guys have been asking about, and like, yeah, she's still my roommate. We're still friends. I just really like to respect her privacy by not like vlogging a lot, but we're doing a little video together, so I'm really excited for that. And then later tonight, I'm going with Aiden to a jazz club place. It's called Dizzy's. It's in Columbus Circle if you're ever in New York. It's so fun. Today's been so busy and I didn't really film my food, but I wanted to mention that for breakfast today before my group project, I just had one of these RX bars and also banana. This is not sponsored. I think in college, it's so easy to get caught up in just like eating stuff because you're really busy and like eating things that aren't good for you. And so I'm actually really passionate about these because they're the easiest thing to grab, but they literally have 3 egg whites, 6 almonds, 4 cashews, 2 dates, carbohydrates and no BS. They're like 200 calories, but they have 12 grams of protein in them. I just want to mention, I think that they're a really cool company, so I'll have them linked down below. I also have a coupon code, which they gave me, so if you want to use it, I don't really benefit from it, but you can get some money off if you want to. I get mine at Trader Joe's, but you can also order them in bulk online. They are definitely more like chewy than most granola bars. Check it out.
There she is. New York.